Hey guys, we're back from our trip from with Red Bull over Europe, and we have something very exciting to say.
So we want to do a 1,000 sub giveaway, and the 1,000 sub giveaway will be a Gen 1 SMP with an amp line and a G&G polymer body. Shoots really nice, custom barrel. I think it's, let me see, it's got a standard G&G hop up in it, but I mean it's a, you know, $600
value brand new, yeah, 600, right?
Yeah.
Value brand new, and this is used. I used it for a little bit, so it's probably like $350. But yeah, we're gonna be giving this gun away. Here are the rules: you have to like, comment, and subscribe, and we have to have over 100 likes on this video as well. So make sure you tell everyone to like, comment, and subscribe, and then after we get the 100 likes on the video, we'll do the giveaway.
Woo! Let's get it going.
Going in, all stayed out.